Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipe. In this video, we are going to learn on how to find unique values in a Panda data frame. So I've copied this code and I pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I will explain to you the code over here as well as run for you. So when do we first we need to know when do we use it. So many times you have a data frame that contains a column of customers unique IDs, unique customer IDs. Now you need to find the total number of unique IDs of customer. In those cases, this is an example where you can use that. There may be in many of the columns there may be repeated values being repeated more than one time, and you need to find the number of unique entries on in those columns. So there you can use that. Now let's get started. So def kickstarter underscore example 92. Here I have defined a function named kickstarter example 92. These are general to print statements. In order to ignore unnecessary warnings, I have imported warnings and warning dot filter warnings ignore. I have loaded my pandas library. So set Python's maximum display. So yes, I won't use that. This is not necessary for me, but this can right here in this code. This is not necessary, but this set option I'll also print you the set option. So many times there are many number of rows in your data frame for 1000, but you only need to you only want a glimpse of 50 to 60 rows. In those cases, pd dot set option display dot max row, this gives 1000. This takes the parameter of the number of rows, and this is the function that does the work. So this will display the maximum number of rows to be 1000. After that, you can also do that for columns. So maximum number of columns to be 50. Here I have created a data dictionary having name, years and reports. After that, I have converted this data dictionary into a data frame using pd.dataframe function. This will I have given a parameter data, that is my data dictionary, and index. Index is the name of the rows. So if I would have given over here column, this would have been the name of my columns, but I am giving an index, that is the name of the rows. So index are Cucci, Pima, Santa Cruz, Maricopa and Yuma. This printdf prints the data frame for me, and print. Now this is what we are doing in this. This is the main function that we need to understand. So this function tells me go to data frame df and then the then the column name, and in the column name pick out dot unique. This tells us to pick out all the unique entries or all the unique values in this name column. So let me run this for you. As you saw, Jason, Molly, Tina and Amy, these are the unique entries. You can see Jason, Molly, Tina was repeated twice. So the entries, so these are the 4 unique entries. There is one more way to run this command. You can use df.name.unique instead of giving that in a string format. This tells go to df, then in df go to name and check out the unique values. So you can see the I have run this code and the result is same: Jason, Molly, Tina and Amy. So this was all about the codes in this video. For real industry project using this recipe, you can check these out, and the URL for this code is available below in the video. Thank you.